Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel Ogweji and this channel is about nursing tips and advice. I also love art and crafts, so I do some DIYs and lifestyle content. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell because I'm gonna be making more content so you don't miss any. Guess what we're doing today? We're going to do an artwork. So today I'm gonna be making glitter and glam art wall decoration. So to do that, I got a canvas here. I got this 24 by 30 inch canvas. I got that from Diddy's. It's just $9.99. I just wanted to be on budget because it's a DIY and you don't know how it's gonna turn out. So I got this. It's a set of two canvas and it's 24 by 30 inch canvas. You can pretty much get this from any art and craft store like Joann's, like Hobby Lobby, probably Michael's, and Diddy's too. So I got this from Diddy's. So I'm gonna be making this art wall and I chose gold and silver color. So I have to get some spray paints. Already I have these spray paints. I use them. I got them from Walmart, and this is metallic gold. I got it from Walmart. It's like $2 plus, but I'm gonna leave all the items I use for this wall art decoration in my description box just in case you want. I also got the silver spray paints. I got this metallic silver from Michael's. It's like $7 plus, and I got this silver metallic finish from Walmart. Also, I have some crushed glass. I'm gonna be using this crushed glass. I got this from Michael's. I just got 2 packs of this because I'm going to be using it generously for the wall art. Also, I have sparkles. I got this from Walmart. It's $2 plus. It's the Sterling extra fine glitters. So I'm going to be using it for the wall art. I also have this is the Unicorn Disco Party Blend glitters. I love this because it kind of gives you that multicolored, especially in the dark. So I wanted to use it to glam up the wall art. So to make it stick, I have this Mod Podge. I've not really used this, so I'm gonna find out how it works. So I got this Mod Podge from Michael's, and you can just get it from pretty much any Walmart, Amazon, anywhere. I also got a set of brushes. I got a bunch of brushes from Dollar Store. Remember, we're keeping it on budget. It's a DIY project. So I got this brush from Dollar Store, and I also have these foam brushes because I'm going to be doing some edges, and I have this just in case I need to clean out or finish out any part of the wall. I have my scissors just in case I'm going to be cutting off some edges. So I'm gonna be going outside to work. So let's go outside because this is spray paint. I can't do it indoors, so I'm going outside. Come with me. Let's go decorate some wall art and see how it turns out. So this is what it looks like so far. You can see all those edges, very beautiful. So guys, can you see the final look? Can you see all the glitters? This is so beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. I like it. I love the glam and how it came out looking so good. Look at that. I love it. Did you see those glitters? Yeah. So I'm gonna let it out to dry here for a little bit, and then I'll take it inside and show you guys how I used it to decorate a wall in my house.